if you're a clinician who has often wondered whether or not it was possible to work continuously with a surgical microscope for everyday clinical endodontics, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly what I do in everyday clinical practice for the last 20 years of my career. And I'm going to show you exactly what we teach our students in our courses on how to work continuously with the surgical microscope, doing everything in endodontics, right from anesthesia to obturation under the microscope without coming out of the microscope. By the way, if you are someone who uses loupes for your endodontic cases and you're curious as to how loupes are different from microscopes, I've put together a small document which you can download for free. Do check out the link in the description below. Let's take a look at the video. What I want you to watch is how we do every single aspect of clinical endodontics through the microscope, and pay attention to my posture throughout the procedure, right from the time I'm giving anesthesia to each and every part of the endodontic process, access cavity or cleaning and shaping or obturation, or even the discussion with the patient, or even taking radiographs. You can see that we are paying attention to the posture. I'm trying to do most things in class 1, 2, or 3 motions, and very rarely in class 4 motions. So that's the idea. The main reason a lot of dentists have this misconception that the microscope is something that you buy only to perform something complex and not to work continuously. But our philosophy is that the main reason for buying a microscope is for ergonomics. You need to protect yourself and you need to do everything in endodontics in an ergonomic manner. And this is what we hope to share with you in the video that you are going to watch. Let's have a look. If you're a dentist who just watched that video and you're curious whether or not you can implement the same in your own private practice, then do check out my online course, Microscopic Dentistry Simplified. I've put the link in the description below. It's something very simple that virtually anyone can implement. Even if you don't know anything about microscope, you can go through the course, understand how exactly to implement a surgical microscope. And if you do take that next step of buying the course, going through the course, and then taking the next step of buying a microscope, then you too can work in your own practice every day exactly the same way. It is not something complicated. Yes, there is a process, which is exactly what we teach you in the online course. Do have a look. I've put the link in the description below. If you enjoyed content like this, then don't forget to click on that subscribe button so that you can support our channel and you get notified whenever I upload a new video, which is usually every Saturday. And if you'd like to watch the videos which I've already uploaded, then do check out some of the other videos that are popping up over here. I'll see you next week with another video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.